Free FM. Never said my Franco Trading Enterprise. I don't remind the Faber was your bro. And then soon come on. Nadia Cametan Transier. And so and Comano ehina atrasie. Aya mitaika wa mani ni ye bia na mo bia ye tuo bia no ni tofabo ani na wie ye no esese wa manfo yi die Ghana me no mi enu ye yi die eye number 1 priority. Maka, the sovereignty of this nation resides in we Ghanaians. Enti se ababa ne se nipakuo bi edi yawo kwan bi a yede wo ma fa so enti enye ene matransia na nkoma e wo ho nie yabakaya between 2015 2016 bird flu Unity Ghana ha. And now Bekaya poultry farmers are who draw yaria bird flu near yaria a chin coco. A chin coco. Etiabino and the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Etuanamon. Sir, Senior Beya Yadiano entre. Entino. Affected birds and affected poultry farms in Inano. Yanya Jinibako. Na Emwano. Yes, you must Young Kumwanina. So, thousands of birds were destroyed. Yakum somewhere in na answer no na yayan shisheye. Sanizibia yakum mwane keke. Nemo compensation be bewo ho. Yakum mwano a yebema osika sha nemu because yaka ebusia obi kwaje bank loan bisia wa banki. Na nkukwa ye no enafem. Menu mienu kura ya yakofa ba ku mienu bi bafie so we de ye nye na bro nyadura ye de ahwe hafa eno kura ne nim sane yete na nipa ba kokofa 2000 beds 7000 beds 15000 beds na sa yare ni nti ye show sam wayi nyina se na fe ye wie na compensation no ho asem no ekwa bibia wo ho a megye no ho amenti ase Mijini hwa menti ase na no nkwa matotwe na pe me ba betwetwe between 2015 2016 nokura aban no yaade ma farmers no ebi nsaka wo mo compensation me kire poultry farmers no nanso emu 36 poultry farmers. Yaka say, Peswa kura wamun sankain. Peswa kura wamun sankain. Ama omu get training na ase. Wama tu wana mawe tu. Ma migini kwa sa asem no kura yaka say, muwa webi ekopie court. Wama a lawyer for etu wana monwa. Na anapai menu ambacho chenkomo. Now amboni ya weya Greater Accra ni tamampota muhayao. Ana 36 no mebwa. Greater Accra ni tamampota muhaya. Ana poultry farmers maku 36. Omosanka omo compensation. Omosanka omo compensation o. Na esida ne na mbanu esu afidie. Na fe nipa ba ko no pese kokko hwe afidie no. Ebani se na mienu su afidie a, ye na mienu na ehwe. Enti se ye kuo na ye nyina na ya destroy your bets. Ya hye yankokwa ase. Fine. Esida na ye yiyim eme big compensation na bi su compensation de anwe ni sin. Asam no ani. I want to ask why, as we speak, 36 poultry farmers, you know, almost some compensation. It's an unfair treatment. It is an unfair treatment on indigenous Ghanaian farmers. Abaiba ye wotwa planting for food and job, rearing for food and job, rearing for den. It's about no 2 sana mo nyina no. Wanim. Say 36 poultry farmers. One compensation no akam. Abai no wanim ana say wanim. Na so wanim ade no aya fa ho. Because these farmers are not happy. Wamu sugu am yam. Obisika kakra wade ko share poultry farm ni mu no ni nyina hye. Ani eto aso won. Ani eto aso won. Ahom teo. Na Ghana ha no, oye bibia na afa otwe na mana we se o ma pressure kakra pe, na atage wo. Na atage wo. Hey, you are trying to make the government unpopular. And a party way, and I won't be able to. That has to stop. Mama crying out, Mama for Casso Mutriho, as I say, we are swan Casso Triwa, you are bonny. One Casso Triwa, you are bonny. Sabine is what one among Edia Boaquiayo in general. Ghana ha me kabe 10 years ago near Krakokwanam. I don't know about the feels as you see a crown Kukwanam Niboha. Yakra. We still import chicken. Another poultry product. You import it. Into indigenous Kakrano or Hanos so yet to be more Mohomai. Yeah? Yet to be more Mohomai. Be bra. And I know these 36 poultry farmers. Come on, Befa feed one families. One of my school fees, yes, so mutia, rent in Sam. How many years now? Free 2015 to date. Adding. You know, crowing. Oriel Lawrence Agosu, or a poultry farmer. Sanso and Justice within a Kubulai on Kubulai Justice Kwame. I also a poultry farmer. Makwaba.
Yeah.
But I'm Mumbai Mike in the mind. You are free. Which me you win. Send a bear. Best fire never. Best fire never. You are safe.
Okay.
Na met me after bibi kakra wa ha on.
From the beginning.
Mate, o dey atwetwe nkomo ya mehwe. Masam no mabone tofa, but from the horse's own mouth. Your predicament, ni amafamu free bear 2015-2016 ya ede eba after bird flu no. Justice mema kwan. Di carbon tofa.
Openi yedasi. Yedasi wa mai akwanya wi na ye mbeka yasem na aban so se ne wure na afie ya na ye nkan no openi so you hwe aban we obaye one district one factory ya we be farmers ya a typical example of it because we share many farms here. I'm almost 6,000 beds. Out of that 6,000 beds, number one workers about 6. Or 6 workers in a farm on one immediate also families. And apart from that, you know, a ma also be found Kusuan way ho. Will be a baby or soon Kusuya, 1 3 crate 4 crate. Also, could you be on over 2 in Bok way ho. Inti out of that small farm, I mean, what Shamano. Employment generating is more than 200 employment and minimum for.
That's supply chain.
Yes, supply chain. You know, so and then your end me and I do. It is like the day of destruction. No, and my own bar bedding goes in now. Once ever done, so or more beyond Beho, me cry farm near Wemdiano, or me local farm. No, it is like they were crying, sharing tears. There's tears now on sharing. They were not sharing their tears for me. They were crying for themselves because family collapse here. No, they were not getting eggs to sell. It is one district, one factory. No, farmers, the typical example of it. You employ so much people. But ekosi abane ebaye the previous government etuama the other people about 29 of them kai masa we call ministry as I say no money ministry no money and we had no option than to go to court call court on me file defense abana am file defense and later judge Nika said oh they have nothing to say he's giving them one week to bring their payment plan. After 1 week, no, on by so okay, to anti ministry, the Ministry of Agric, the veterinary department by director of Agric, and a representative from the Attorney General also and also Baba Wamba later on can say only mandate to actually handle that case. So yes, I call back to court. The court now. Court demands one file on defense. One file defense and later. On me file defense, can say we are equally to be blamed because biosecurity measures wasn't all that good. Until on to ya. And later on, some can say you cry in your farmers. You're farmers in Tino. And I don't see any farmers. And it's fine. What be Kuyango? I'm your farmers now. Moya there, Moya carpenter for. You're farmers. And I'm Moya breacher for. You're farmers. What be Kuyango? I'm a certificate of destruction. Doctors, I want districts. One on the Bekungukui. And I must add, yeah, I will cry and say. So, I'm banner, as farmers, you know, we can't tell whether the bird is actually suffering from bird flu or not. Normally, when you say, money be what? The only thing is all the veterinary. After their postmortem, they tell you this one is coccidiosis. Buy this, go and buy that, then you treat them. The strong catch you say your bird flu, all that they tell you is the master. Men come farm will lock the farm. Don't take anything. And now it's like, what is it's been so serious and say be so about 5 rooms. Let's say even 1 room is affected. They tell you they are killing all the birds in the farm. Even those who are not affected, no pokra be able to there.
And the man say room back when he fancy studio hey. Maybe a hana bird flu no.
What did even one point?
Na say and a dina can one kokoro ho nyina ni nyina ni.
Master, ye kuni nyina. They use the word contain to contain the virus. Even the other farmers around that area, and they tell you, master, they will pay you, they will give 90% compensation. So let's kill them to contain the virus. Right? It shouldn't spread all over the country. So as a farmer, you can't say which they will say, you can't send a spreading for the other farms. Now within 3 months, you're 2 a car. They know and it's like, it's not only there. Because you have a bro feed. The anything that has to do with the poultry, they are destroying everything apart from the structure. And this is now catch them say after 3 months. Now say 3 months better than 1 year. 1 year better than 2 years. 2 years better than 3 years. That's almost 4 years. No one to a car. They don't pass here. And eventually, no, on be pin say the one year to umbetua. Na yamranti yekoshia. The veterinary doctors not by distraction on by the director of Agric also by and attorney general also by any lawyer. The court transfer catch and said
why no lawyer
Akakovi.
Okay.
To catch on catch say okay on betua 90% of the compensation so on tuama the microphone on the tuama the 29 affected farmers.
Yes.
They will do the same. And And then so catch on say fine. They say you sorted for legal service. Into your lawyer no. You ain't even to Anika. No so can want to say. Ombe to your lawyer Anika. That was November last year. And now yes when you
but compensation rules no. Net is saying, I mean, the compensation rules and procedures. Net is saying because say yetimi tue binum de na ye binum efimwa. I'm made to believe say there should be a criteria. Say be okay. Half for no you be the care twa omo de ansa na half for so say the kind etua. So I want to know the compensation rules. It is saying bremo.
Ade o mu ne say Benflu na buy no. Amma prekupe. Ghana Haneshasi be April. Na e buy no. The first batch na eyo no. Wo mo de no yetua wie kran sana second wave of disease na samba.
Okay.
Inti no time our mutual conversation now when no their birds have not been affected by avian influenza.
Okay.
Now the rules for compensation no unia maybe I was here no it is government which determines anything. That we must even ask osi yare no eyankoko enyankoko pe na ntakramwa nyina no eyom
apart from nkoko no turkey guinea fowl
nyina even kura sesi akra me kan jamu akra to me no yare na me kan no yare ekun nipa on say avian influenza no ewo mu ahodro ye were the low risk type and I were the high risk type to me kunipa.
Yeah.
Ghana hana nyanti say obi ewu but elsewhere no kunipa. It can be on net so it's in Nepal 2013 to date no kunipa be 800 and something kanipa be 800 something na mo half the omofrimu o hwe COVID-19 I was here no Ghana has here no figure I was here 37,800 BB. Nipa we 191. Say in worst case scenario no, it's just about 5%. And I free But if you have a disease, Ghana can wipe out half of the people it catches no. Ain't no baby bisa say adentina takra mua no. Adentina yare e wo mu nyina no. Yes, barefoot pen na compensation. It's simple. If you say to me kunipa it's a yarea you bet me kunipa enunti no yetua compensation so that onya hu a on say yankukọ wan ya yankukọ ni Santa Cramo no say ti say emua bia no wo emua na so yarea wo pese ti say nipa wo pese obefa kwan bia so na wati apo enti wo gusu a wo ye sa yare so no yare boni ye pese obetena ho say wo san yare for too long. Enti no unya hu sign up ukura hu a hu say yare no because unya so abo yare a wo de no ko vet for ho na ko hwe yare kro na udu ho no mu a eno maka che say sa yare na ye hu kokom ana say sa yare na ye hu enti no straight away no they are moving to the farm. Intensityna no amenu an kan no umfa hwe in fact a dynanka sample no every me be maka cho se padan so na ewiambo embre mu na tumi ku yare no eno nti no you don't have any say senia you destroy senia ye COVID-19 we no sabe o mba o fama o mba nkokọ dodo e wo ho no that is what they destroy na de ba ko o mu say
Ora Lawrence so ma me mesa aba wo bi na me kwa homa no so me Dr. William Edukuma or veterinary doctor aba homa no so me ne ntwetwe komo do ko temi nka
me tiuka
apomoko
nyamyadom
doc abra Ben flu unity Ghana ha somewhere between 2015 and 2016 poultry farmers are one more year affected, you destroy one more birds. per wo records nipa do say na yetua wo ka a wonim e na wo ma yentua wo ka no so wo ma yesen doc.
Oh, okay. Good morning to you and to your listeners. If you can permit me, let me speak English so that everybody can understand it very well. I know probably you can, if some farmers cannot understand, maybe you can do the translation or explanation to them. Yeah, so we had bird flu outbreak in Ghana in 2016. Even 2018, we have some few outbreaks. And because we don't have vaccines, and the disease is very contagious, we destroy birds and farms that have the outbreak. Now let's understand that if we have an outbreak and we destroy a farm to prevent the outbreak from spreading to other farms. So we have the record, all the farms that we have destroyed, we have the record. And some of them have been paid. Some are yet to be paid. But I can assure the farmers that all those days that were destroyed will be paid.
No,
the difficulty we had is that we, the technical report, told the government that if the outbreak, let's say it's in Farm A, and we quickly contain it there, it will not spread to other farms. Unfortunately, the farmers were moving the birds all over the place. You know, when there's outbreak and the birds are dying, the natural thing is to quickly dress it and send it to this place. That is what made the outbreak to spread so much that we were not able to contain it at the place that we want to. So it spread for some places all over the country before we managed to contain it.
Dr. Kuma, I want us to position the conversation properly. I want you to tell us the compensation rules and procedures as at the time you started paying compensations, Doc.
Yeah, so if you have outbreak, you report to the veterinary people.
Okay.
We'll come there. If we diagnose that, yes, it is a bird flu, then we count the number of birds in your farm, the feed that you have, and other equipment that we are going to destroy. Then we call a board. I mean, there will be district assembly people there will be NADMO. We come together as a team, do the accounting. Then we destroy and bury it and clean and disinfect the farm. So we test again after some time to see if the farm is still in the virus is still in your farm. After that, after some time, there's a specific procedure. Then we can allow you to restock. So these are so the number of birds that count on the day we are coming from the tractors, that's the compensation that we pay. We pay compensation according to that.
Okay, so then now tell us what has been the challenge, because it's been too long, and to me, I think that these farmers who have not been compensated, they haven't been treated fairly. Looking at the fact that some farmers earlier on have received their compensation, Doc.
Yes, I really appreciate the problem, and I sympathize with the farmers. You know, we are there because of the farmers. We have to facilitate production. So we are with the farmers. And I can tell you that I have a lot of farmers come to me. I know them personally. So I feel the pain. But let's understand that this is money, our money, that government money that is being used to. We don't have it. Our resources are limited. So yes, we pay people. And that's where I started. That we will pay everybody. I mean, it's not as if the government is not aware. It's only that it has been long years, and we sympathize with them. But then the process is ongoing to pay the rent.
Now, if you tell me the process is ongoing, how far has this process gone? I really want to know, to be sure that maybe in the next a week or two or a month time, these monies are going to be paid to these farmers. Dr. Kuma?
Oh, yes. Some of the farmers have been coming. So they are in different stages. We have been going to, I mean, we have been to the ministry and they have been assured that, they are working on it. And you know the system. It goes, I mean, you have to go through the government, the financial system before they are. But we really appreciate it. We are working on it. It's not as if we have gone to sleep over it or that the government has refused to acknowledge the farmers and authorities. So really, I won't be able to give timeline, but let me assure them that we are working on it to double our efforts to give them their compensation.
No, because I feel that if the first batch of farmers have received their compensation, and as we speak, the current number of about 36 poultry farmers, and they have to drag this issue to court and write petitions here and there, and the monies are not forthcoming. So if you are giving me an assurance, then it has to be an assurance with a timeline, so that I can hold you to your words, Dr. Kuma.
Well, I don't have the list in front of me right now that I'm speaking.
But I have the list here. I have the list in front of me right now.
Well, that is your list. I don't know whether that's official list, because as I've said, if we did not destroy your beds, then we are not going to pay compensation to you. Those that we have destroyed their beds are the ones that are entitled to compensation. And the number that we have destroyed is what we are going to pay compensation to. But that does not take out the fact that we owe farmers. And some have been to court, as some were paid, some have gone ahead to court, some are in negotiation with us to see how we can pay. It's all about money. So we are trying to get resources to pay them. I won't say this week, I won't say in a month's time, but I can assure them that we are working tirelessly to get the money to them.
Okay, so but Doc, you were part of that of the out of court settlement team. Is that correct? You were part of it.
Yes, I was.
And out of court, I don't know how many times you've met with these farmers as a group, not individually. I don't know how many times you've met these farmers as a group to as it were, settle this issue out of court, Dr. Kuma.
No, they had a lawyer. We also have the Attorney General representing us. So we met and we acknowledged our indebtedness to them. And the lawyers went to settle. I mean, you know, this once it became a court issue, it's with the lawyers. Ours that once you have acknowledged that we owe them, to work in the ministry system to get the money out to pay them. So we haven't met them as a group because it's now between lawyers. The farmers are met. It's only that we know them. They are our clients. They are people that we provide service for. So we keep on encouraging them as well. Let's work together. Let's overcome it.
Doc, how true is it that out of this the 36 poultry farmers, it's only 9 that you are currently negotiating with, Doc?
We have the whole list. Mm-hmm. And if you probably if I had a better preparation, I would have even had the list in front of me and I will specifically tell you the number of farmers that whose farm were destroyed and who our compensation is due to. I won't be able to. But then, some group of farmers went to court. If I'm not mistaken, maybe 9 or.
How many? 9 farmers.
Yes, I think again that list is not in front of me, but if I can remember the list that I saw, it's about 9. But it doesn't mean that they have gone to court. Their lawyers and our lawyers are negotiating, but it doesn't mean those who haven't been to court will not be paid. Once we have the list, that this is what we have done, we are definitely going to have them sorted out. So it's not that they have gone to court or they haven't gone to the court. That is not the issue.
Because I was just about finding out if you expect the others to also head for court before you decide to engage them.
Certainly not, because even those who went to court, we are still talking. They came. I mean, we sat down. The farmers were getting their lawyers. We all sat on the table and then have a negotiation. So it's all about negotiation and it's all about finding the money. Most importantly, none of us is happy that their monies are locked up and the business that they love, they choose to do, for which we are also there to provide, to facilitate them to produce, is not going on because of this outbreak. We want us to resolve this issue as soon as possible.
Okay, but Doc, how much are we looking at? Doc, excuse me. How much compensation are we looking at for these 36 poultry farmers?
Oh, is it your name, sir?
My name is CJ.
DJ.
CJ. Yes.
I'm most sorry that let me apologize that if, as I've said, if you had given me, if I had known or prepared better, I'll have all this information now. This was some time ago when the documents are there, but it's not something that I refer to every day, so I don't have the exact figures. But yes, but we are owing quite substantial, and it doesn't even matter if it is even 10 cities or 20 cities. People monies are due to people. If you give it out to them, they will go on with production. We are complaining about import of poultry products. Who want 100% of the production to be on Ghana. Government is also in the process of preparing for food and jobs. All these are policies that government has gotten. So we want to work very hard for these farmers to go back to production. That I can assure them.
Well, Doc, I would want us to continue with this conversation some other time when you are really prepared with some of the facts and figures. Yeah.
So, but I think we are concluding. So let me say that getting diseases out of our poultry farms and any other animal business is a collective responsibility. Poultry farming, the most important thing is the biosecurity, which you have been stressing on. There are diseases that if you are really you go according to the biosecurity protocols, will not get into your farm. We have poultry farmers, you have avian influenza with poultry farmers, pig farmers, you have African swine fever, and other diseases. People don't take this biosecurity issue seriously. Education is going on, training is going on, but if you still go to farm, you can work there. Vehicles come there every day. People who have no business in the farm come there. They don't have a protective clothing for footwear. So people roam all over and bring diseases into this farm. So they also have to play our part. That doesn't mean that the government doesn't have to pay the money, but we'll do it. We'll try as much as possible. But we all want Ghana agriculture to go up so we stop importation of into the country.
Well, Doc, we may have to end this conversation here, but just so you know, one of these affected poultry farmers, as we speak, has had his leg amputated as a result of diabetes and is in a very critical condition. But there's no money to take care of him because all the monies have been locked up in this compensation, Doc. And I think that's very serious. We need to take a very, very critical look at, Doc.
I'm very sad to hear that. Our prayers are with him. We will continue to work harder for money to be paid to the farmers, including the one that you referred to. I think it's really sad. I know a lot of poultry farmers who are affected directly, and it affects me even personally because you really feel that when you see your friends that you have been working for years, they are out of business. And they are not their former self. So I appreciate the difficulties that are involved and hope that we can resolve this issue very quickly. Thank you.
Dr. Kumar, thank you very much for your time.
It's a pleasure.
Dr. William Edukuma, a veterinary doctor, and I'm in a children command here. Listen, the damanim hey. Divine Farms. The telephone number ni. Enkokwa ya she wamo yekum wamo nyina bird flu inti 2453 birds 2,453 beds. I'll probably mine. Stardom Farms. Our Calypso Road. 16,946 beds. Yentiani. City Crying Famano. 16,946 beds. Pin Kura Winyai. Lieutenant Colonel Adi. Hey, I thought that phone you know what comes out. Oh, that's what service in him. And I said, I'll be Timmy Obi. So then, what the compensation, Emma? Lieutenant Colonel Adi, 7,903 beds. Yes, she woman in Nancy, so then he. Pin cry and famano. Ben Oklekwe, 913 beds. Awudo Kwame, 350 beds. I saw a very high figure. Maybe she munuano. Aside 16,000, it been so a baby. Eh? John Atipo, 9,394 beds. Gulf City. All on the farms war. Rauf Abubakar, 7,722 beds. Eh?
Near our boy near Eba from 2017 to date, I don't count.
I don't count.
Near Eba from 2017 to date, I don't count. I don't count. Now, near what can I say? Biosecurity, poultry farm, biosecurity, Nadia Dino. You can't be son say, Yarene then a back room, a bag Ghana.
Ye,
Yarene then a bag Ghana. Oh,
ye.
Oko a US near the idea. They have farm no a sealed. Eso seal no mutanya sayariano. How does the disease get there? Nobody knows. But they pay US 2015 they paid a compensation of $191 million as compensation. Any high risk one.
When you be see her, Joada, you better also. Joada, you better also because Dr. Kumano, I'm a friend. I will need him in the studio.
Okay. Even I do Kuma.
I will need him in the studio.
Okay.
I will need him in the studio. Na kwa bia be fa so 36 poultry farmers am ho akwaka mu no ye betua musika ama mo na matimi ayi madwuma no ye be fa so ma me na waseni empensia Lawrence Agosu poultry farmer so na Kubulai Justice Kwame enso so poultry farmer and lots of documents ena na pay fianra ba mada ho ahwehwemu na sankomo we ye betua so fa be wo so ye fa ho asena na Franco Trading Enterprise o mada Roma